Okay, there are a few ways we can do these. So the first one says convert 5 litres per hour to litres per day. So 5 litres per hour means the volume you use, or whatever, 5 litres in 1 hour. Doesn't it mean that? So notice that the first quantity is not, the first set of units isn't being changed. Litres stays the same, but the second quantity is changing from hours to days. Can you see that? So when only one of the units gets changed, you do it just like a typical problem-solving method. So this is 5 litres per hour means 5 litres in 1 hour. Does this make sense? But I don't want how many litres in an hour. I want in a day. How are you going to go from an hour to a day? So if you're using 5 litres in an hour, you're going to obviously use more in a day, aren't you? So I go times 24. Obviously, I'll times this by 24. So 5 litres per hour to litres per day. So 5 times 24 is 120. 120 litres in 1 day. So therefore, 5 litres per hour is equal to 120 litres per day. That's your answer. So when one quantity is being changed, I like to write out 5 litres / hours per hour. What does it mean? 5 litres in 1 hour. When you write it like that, it really is easy to do the question, because I just want to know how many litres in 1 day. Okay? 1 times 24 is 24 hours, obviously, which is a day. Do you get it? Sorry. All right. So, yeah, because they want the answers as litres per day, and day is 24 hours, all right? All right, the next one. Convert 8.2 litres per 100 kilometres to litres per kilometre. A lot of people get confused with this type, but if you write it out as what it is, 8.2 litres per 100 kilometres means 8.2 litres in 100 kilometres. What units do you want litres in? Litres per kilometre means litres per 1 kilometre. So you need litres in 1 kilometre. Does that? So when you see the unit litres per kilometre, it's litres per 1 kilometre. Rates are always per 1 of the second unit. So girls, that's what I've got. 8.2 litres in 100 kilometres. How many litres in 1 kilometre? I'm going from 100 to 1. How do I do that? Divide by 100, divide by 100. Now, 8.2 litres divided by 100 is what? That's right. Now, they want the answer in litres per kilometre, not mils. So I leave it like that. So what's my answer? It's 0.082 litres per kilometre. Please watch the point. 1 sec. The question is to convert 24 cents per minute to dollars per hour. That's 24 cents in 1 minute. Girls, I can already convert the 24 cents to an hour. Sorry, to dollars. Isn't that the same as saying, that's right, $0.24 in 1 minute? Do you understand that I don't need to change the minute here? I'm only changing how 24 cents looks. Do you get that? So, 24 cents per minute to dollars per hour. I can change how 24 cents looks. It's $0.24 in 1 minute. All right, it becomes like the other question now. What do? I don't want to know how many cents in a minute. I already know how many dollars in a minute. Now I've got dollars and minutes. I just need dollars and hours. 1 hour is how much? 60 minutes. So if you're getting 24 cents in a minute, do you get what I'm going to do? What am I going to do? That's right. So what's 0.24 times 60? Therefore, your answer is $14.40 per hour. Do you get it? Question 2E, convert 60 kilometres per hour So 60 kilometres per hour means 60 kilometres in 1 hour. Can I change the first quantity to metres? Girls, 60 kilometres is how many metres? So with this type, we're just changing how the first quantity looks. Kilometres to metres, girls. How else can I write 60 kilometres? How many metres in a kilometre? Yeah, we know that 1 kilometre equals 1,000 metres. So this is 60,000 metres in 1 hour. Are we okay with that? Because I've just changed how that looks. I don't want an hour. I want a second. How am I going to go to a second? An hour is a long time. All right, 1 hour divided by 60 gives me 1 minute. But I still need to get to 1 second, so I'm going to divide by 60 again. Are we okay with this? So I need to divide this quantity by 60. And then I need to divide by 60 again. Now you don't have to show, you can show the answer. What's 60,000 divided by 60? So it's 1,000 metres in 1 minute. If you divide that by 60 again, what do you get? 0.6 recurring metres in a second. So your answer is 16.6 recurring metres per second. Okay?